Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This weekend, Poland goes to the polls in what's probably the single most important election there since 1989 and the fall of communism. At the moment, there's a right-wing populist coalition in power, led by the Law and Justice Party, and they're currently seeking what would be an unprecedented and unheard of third term in office. At the same time, growing increasingly popular is the main opposition leader, Donald Tusk. And there's a lot riding on this result. A lot of my Polish teacher friends are terrified that the country's going to go down the Hungary road, that they're going to see increasingly authoritarian rule, they're going to see government control of the media, they're going to see a closer alignment with Moscow, they're going to see a move away from the European Union and from European values. And a lot of people are talking about maybe leaving if Law and Justice get in again. There's also the worry that the Law and Justice Party, having politicised the issue of supporting Ukraine, will maybe start to limit the amount of military support they offer their neighbours. At the moment, it's too close to call who's going to win. It's clearly going to be a very close run thing with both the government and the opposition looking possible to win. It could go either way. And the whole thing currently is balanced on a knife edge. If you say that something is on a knife edge, you mean it's a difficult and a worrying situation, and the result is very uncertain. It's often used if you're watching sport, like you're watching a football match, and maybe it's 0-0 or it's 1-1, and there's 10 minutes to go, either side could still win. You might say, oh, the whole game's poised on a knife edge. One slip from a player or one piece of luck could decide it. Maybe there's a politician who's hanging on in a position of power, or a business person who's hanging on in a position of power after allegations or some kind of scandal, and their whole future remains on a knife edge. For lots of companies who have managed to survive COVID and who are now living through the cost of living crisis, it might be a very uncertain time ahead, and maybe your finances are on a bit of a knife edge at the moment. They could go either way. You could slip into bankruptcy, or you could manage to pull through and survive. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Share it on social media. And also in the comments section below, please do share your own examples of on a knife edge.